What is up, flippers? Welcome back to a very exciting video because today I got my BMX bike fixed finally. I've had this bike for probably close to like 7-8 years now, and somewhere along the lines I messed up my rear wheel hub. I think I was literally just trying to do a wheelie, like just trying to pedal while doing a manual, a wheelie, uh, and I broke something in the hub, and then for whatever reason, whenever I would try to crank down on my pedals, the chain would just slip, and yeah, my knee would go flying into the stem or the bars or the frame or whatever, and it was super frustrating. So I put it down and left it alone for 4 or 5 years, something like that, and now, all these years later, I finally got around to, I finally took it in to see if I could get it fixed. I don't know why I didn't do that before, because if I did do that before, I probably would have fixed the old hub for next to nothing, and probably wouldn't have to replace the whole rear wheel there, but yeah, that's what I get for being lazy and just letting it sit there. And basically, I took it in like 5 months ago now, probably, to get the old wheel fixed. And the shop told me that they ordered some replacement parts and they're just waiting on those to arrive. I waited like 3, 4, 5 months, and finally I was like, you know what, screw those guys, they're not going to help me, obviously. And so yeah, I just bought a whole new wheel here, and I wasn't sure if I wanted a free coaster or a cassette wheel, so I kind of compromised, or kind of met in the middle there, and I have a BSD Revolution hub, which is kind of a mix between the two. It is a free coaster, so you will free coast in reversed and fakie, but it's a little bit different than the traditional free coaster. So there's less slack whenever you can see there's a little bit of slack, actually, like not even right. Wait, let's see. Yeah, there's like no slack, so that's really cool. On traditional free coaster hubs, there's a lot of slack when you go to press down on the pedals. So that's really cool that there's like basically no slack. This is also supposed to be lighter than a traditional free coaster, so that's really nice and exciting. I can't tell if it's any lighter than my old cassette that came with the bike. It feels like it may be just a little bit lighter. I don't know if the rim has anything to do with that also, but bike does feel a little bit lighter. I wish I would have weighed it before and after, but that's alright. But yeah, I'm excited to finally have my bike up and running again and be able to take it out on some trails as well as some parks. Really hyped to skate some or ride some parks with this bike. But yeah, I just got this new wheel installed yesterday and just rode around for like 20, maybe 30 minutes, maybe like a mile or two just down the block. But yeah, I got a box here with some parts that I'm going to replace. Mainly, we are going to be replacing, I might do this on one side, because I noticed that these are a little bit too long for my brakes there. My brakes are kind of in the way, so I might have to either just like cut these or something. Yeah, we'll figure out what to do with those, but I mainly wanted to do this today. Replace the seat. As you can see, I kind of got some white accents going on here, and also the gray frame. So I got the gray with the light gray kind of white accent on it. The giraffe pattern is also pretty nice. Looks pretty thick too, which is nice because that seat is so small and thin. It hurts so bad to sit on. Like it literally feels like I'm just sitting on a piece of metal basically when I sit down on that thing. So, all right, and then let's get to taking off the old seat. So I also got my Colt toolkit here, so can maintenance my bike. Oh wow, that was actually pretty easy. I was kind of worried about finding the hole in the seat there, but looks like we found it pretty easy. There we go. Alright, so there's our old seat. As you can see, it's so thin. There's like barely any cushioning in there. I swear, that thing hurts so much to sit on. Alright, so it looks like you don't need this nut, right? Set that. Look right there. Let's see, where's this thing? Is that it? Is that it? There we go. This is more what I thought this would be like. A struggle to find this thing. Okay, so that might actually help. Just get it set in there first with your fingers. And then, I still can't find this hole, man. It's like my first time all over here. Bruh. Oh, there we go. Think we got it? Stupid cover is like pushing my tool out constantly. Oh my gosh, this is like so annoying. So close. So like right there maybe. Okay. Oh my gosh. Is that even like how I like it? Let's see. Feels alright. Feels alright, I think, for now. Let me see how it look. How it look. Look alright, look alright. I think that's good for now. It was so annoying trying to find all that. Okay, so here we can see the amount of slack. If I put my foot right there, boom. It's about like 2 to 3 inches of slack. Do it on this side, you guys can see. So it starts here, boom, engages there. So yeah, about like 2 inches of slack, nothing crazy. Definitely a lot better than most free coasters, I'd say, from what I've seen. I think I might. Where are those grips at? Where did I put those grips? So this is what I was talking about earlier. You can see the bar end is right there. And then the handle goes way past the brake here. So I might end up just cutting it off like right there maybe. Shouldn't be that big a deal, but I don't know. I think I'm I'm gonna take this one off and try it on there first, but yeah, looking clean with that new seat. I definitely like that. Definitely want to change up these grips. If you're looking to get these Vans grips, they look pretty cool, but they're pretty like hard, so it's not very like nice to grip onto, unfortunately. So I'd recommend staying away from them, but look at that bike. That's a clean looking bike right there. Man, I'm excited to finally get to ride this thing, try to do some tricks, and yeah. Hopefully you guys will be also looking forward to seeing some of those videos when I upload them. It's a big drop, but I'm gonna go for it. Alright, pulled that. A little sketchy, but pulled away. Both feet on the pedal, so pretty happy. Let's try one more time. Damn, that last one. Whew, I punched the brakes. Kind of hurt, but I think I kind of hit my ass on the seat. Oh, we survived. Was that 3 in a row? I'm gonna try one more. First park session with the new bike, with the new hub. Whew, it's feeling good. Definitely have to do it more often. Alright, thank you all for watching. Oh shit. Catch you all in the next video. Peace. Whew, let's get this air. It's hot. Oh my god. more, big one. I wonder if I cleared it on that last one. I'll have to check. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna see how high my bunny hop is looking right now. Not feeling too confident on it, but definitely want to improve it, so let's just see where I'm at right now. Another pretty good one. I'll give this last one my all, and then we'll check it out. Alright, I feel like that last one may have been the highest, but only one way to tell, so let's check it out. Oh, oh my gosh, dude. That took so long just to do that. Put some of that in there. Probably should have cleaned this off actually. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's looking nice. I really like the look of that. Finally, we got it all the way on by ourselves with a little help of some isopropyl alcohol and some little zip tie things. If I had actual zip ties, I think that's what I used to put these on, and it was a lot easier to get them all the way through. But yeah, we got it. Let's see if I can slam this bar in there now. I don't think I have a mallet. I'll go check though. Loving this setup more and more. These grips. Let's take this out here. Ooh. Love how that grip looks and feels. Should feel much better now.